Nope. So now turn to page 31. We're going to do 31 together. Okay, so I'm on page 31, and this is part of your assignment. We're going to do 31 together, and they want us to write 0.2 with a line over it. Nope, it's just 0.2. It's 0.2. Okay, and what's going to happen is we're going to follow this template again. Now I'm hoping you're getting to the point where this makes sense to me. I'm getting closer to doing it on my own. We're going to start with n is equal to 0.222 repeating. Here's why I keep writing 3 numbers. It's been my experience that 8th graders, if I write a line over it, get confused. Okay? And so we're going to write out a couple of numbers. What do you mean? Okay, we'll deal with it later. What do I have to do first? What do I have to do first? What's my very first step? Why am I going to multiply this by 10? Yay, we want to get a whole number. So I'm going to multiply. I still have repeating 2's at the end, but now I have a whole number to the left of the decimal. If I multiply this side by 10, what do I got to do over here? Times 10. We're trying to get a whole number. If I'm writing a rational number, it's an integer, a whole number, over another whole number. So there aren't decimals in our fractions. That's what we're trying to do, trying to get just whole numbers. But I have all of this gibberish. It's a great word. How do I get rid of this gibberish over here? I subtract it. So I'm going to take away 0.222 here, because then I'll just have the whole number left over. Oh, but if I do that here, what am I going to take away? I'm going to take what's equivalent. Good. I'm taking away n because it's equivalent to this. So really, I am doing the same thing to both sides because they're equivalent values. I got rid of the gibberish, yay, and I end up with just 2. If I have 10 n's and I take one away, I'm left with how many? 9 n's left over.
How do you always get 1 every time?
Because the gibberish up here is equivalent to just one of them. So if I'm going to take this away, I have to take away the equivalent amount, and there's always just one of them, because that's what we start with. We're just saying that number equals some letter n.
So, like, if you were doing more than 1 n that you were subtracting, would you put a number in front of it?
Yes, but we will not do that for this case.
Okay.
Good question. So now, Olivia says, I want to get n by itself, so I'm going to do what?
Divide by 9.
Divide by 9. And if I do that here, I have to do it on the other side. N is equal to 2 9s, which we knew. Yay! So we're doing it correctly.
It is once you pay attention. So that's what we do?
What if you do it?
That's the answer.
3-digit number?
Now, we are going to do number 33 together, and that one's different.
Is there a way to reverse this so if you start with a fraction, you can get a decimal?